Chakras are a concept originating in ancient Indian spiritual traditions that describe energy centers within the human body. The term chakra comes from Sanskrit and means wheel or disc, referring to the circular shape of these centers. According to the traditional understanding, there are 7 main chakras located along the spine, starting from the base and moving up to the top of the head. Each chakra is associated with a specific color, element, and aspect of human experience, such as grounding, creativity, or intuition. The chakra system is believed to be a complex network of energy channels that regulate the flow of life force energy, also known as prana or chi. When the chakras are balanced and functioning properly, this energy flows freely, promoting physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. However, when the chakras become blocked or imbalanced, it can lead to physical and emotional problems. The concept of chakras has gained popularity in the West in recent years, particularly in alternative and holistic health practices. Many practitioners use various techniques such as yoga, meditation, and energy healing to balance and activate the chakras. While there is no scientific evidence to support the existence of chakras or their effects on health, many people find that incorporating chakra balancing practices into their wellness routine can be beneficial for promoting overall well-being. Welcome to part 1 of your journey to understanding the chakra system. In this section, you will lay the foundation of your knowledge about the 7 major energy centers in your body. In video 1, you will be introduced to the unique qualities and powers of each chakra. This will help you understand why it's so important to keep them balanced and free of blockages. Moving on to video 2, you will explore the different healing techniques that have been developed to keep the chakra system healthy. By learning about these techniques, you'll gain insight into which healing method might suit you best. So, let's dive in and start building your understanding of the chakra system. What are chakras, and how do they work? To begin, let's consider the idea that everything is energy, each with its own vibrational frequency. From the smallest atoms that make up our bodies to the vast expanse of the universe, everything is made of energy. And this energy has many names: chi, ki, chi, prana, mana, odic force, bioplasm, and life force energy, among others. The energy body, or aura, is the human energy field that extends beyond the physical body. Like the physical body, the energy body consists of many interacting layers, each with its own specific purpose. Together, these layers interact with the physical body as well as the energy centers, or chakras. The word chakra comes from the Sanskrit word chakra, meaning wheel. These energy vortexes transport energy from the universe around us into our aura and body, as well as between the physical body and the layers of our aura. You can think of your chakra system as similar to a spiritual bloodstream. Just as blood carries oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, the chakra system connects and supports our physical and energy selves. Chakras have been known throughout history and across cultures, including the Egyptians, Hindus, Chinese, Sufis, Zoroastrians, Greeks, Native Americans, Incas, and the Maya, to be a reflection of the natural law that exists within the universe and an intertwined counterpart to our physical selves. In the upcoming chapters, we will explore each of the 7 major chakras in more detail, including their unique qualities and how to keep them balanced and healthy. The chakra system is not limited to humans. It exists in all living things, including animals, plants, trees, and even the earth itself. The system is composed of 7 major chakras, as well as numerous minor ones, each with its own associations with specific organs, glands, physical functions and dysfunctions, and emotional, mental, and spiritual issues. By tapping into the energy within our chakras, we can connect with ourselves more fully and learn how to heal ourselves on all levels, achieving true holistic healing. This is why practices such as meditation and physical activities can help clear your mind and feel more centered, and why cultivating your spirit can heal your mind and body. Remember, it's all connected. To begin connecting with your chakras, you can start by holding your hands 1 inch apart with your palms facing each other. Take some time to notice the warmth and energy exchange between your hands, as your hands contain minor chakras. Slowly separate your hands, stretching out the energy between your palms, and then bring them back together again, condensing your energy. Repeat this a few times, playing with the energy between your palms. Don't be discouraged if you don't feel anything at first. Simply relax, clear your mind, and remain open and in tune with yourself. As you become more familiar with your energy, you will begin to notice the warmth and energy charge between your palms, even when your hands are farther apart. In addition to feeling the energy in your hands, you can also learn to feel your major chakras. For example, to connect with your heart chakra, place both hands at the center of your chest and take a slow, steady breath through your nose. As you do this, feel the warmth and inner glow underneath your hands. You're not only feeling your heartbeat or the coursing of your blood, but also the sensation of your heart chakra expanding. If you're not able to feel your chakras yet, don't worry. With time and practice, your sensitivity will increase. Keep practicing and remain open to the process, and you'll be well on your way to connecting with your chakras and the energy within you. The wisdom of chakras for healing and enlightenment has been known for centuries in many ancient cultures. However, in recent times, we are realizing that focusing solely on our physical health is not enough for complete wellness. Despite the remarkable breakthroughs of modern medicine, something still feels missing or off in our lives. As the daughter of a Western physician, the value of Western medicine is appreciated, but we collectively realize that other factors may influence our current health challenges. What if we learned that many physical symptoms we experience could be prevented, simply because they are expressions of what hasn't been addressed in the energy body? When our chakras are balanced, our lives are in harmony, and our health is good. But if a chakra becomes blocked, we will eventually experience emotional distress or disease. Since everything is energy, when we heal and maintain our energy body's health through modalities like acupuncture, Reiki, meditation, yoga, and Qigong, among others, and make better lifestyle and diet choices, we actually heal issues that may arise before they manifest physically. By working with our chakras, we are opening ourselves up to a powerful tool for healing and self-discovery. It is an exciting journey that leads to a better understanding of ourselves and our connection to the universe. Before diving into the specifics of the chakra system, it's important to address some common myths about chakra healing work. Myth 1: Chakra healing is an outside job. While practitioners can guide you on your healing journey, ultimately, you are the one responsible for your own healing. Whether or not you receive outside healing assistance, healing is always an inside job. Myth 2: Chakra healing is affiliated with a specific religion. While the chakra system has its roots in ancient religious texts, it has since evolved and expanded to reach a broader audience. Many people from different walks of life, spiritual or not, practice and value chakra health. Myth 3: Chakra healing is a form of demonic or dark ritual. This couldn't be further from the truth. Chakra healing, when done right, is a practice that infuses light, awareness, and consciousness into your body, mind, spirit, and heart, all of which dispel darkness. It is a powerful tool for personal growth and transformation, not a form of demonic or dark ritual. When engaging in chakra healing, there are a few important things to keep in mind as you begin. Firstly, be patient with yourself. It's common for those just starting out with chakra healing to become frustrated and judge themselves as failures if they don't see immediate progress. Remember that everyone is different and has their own unique timeline for personal growth and healing. Healing is a process that cannot be rushed, so it's important to have patience and trust in the journey. Secondly, it's important to listen to your body and not push yourself beyond what is comfortable. When people are eager to connect with their chakras, they may push themselves too hard, which can lead to physical discomfort, such as headaches. If you feel resistance or discomfort, take a break and try again later. Lastly, seeking guidance from a healing practitioner can be beneficial, especially if you feel like you're hitting a wall in your healing journey or experiencing significant pain or discomfort. When seeking help, ensure that the practitioner is licensed or certified in their modality, and that you feel comfortable and safe with them. Remember that healing is a personal journey, and with patience and self-compassion, you can cultivate balance and harmony in your energy centers.